So you want to export these photos but you don't know how to, then you have come to a right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export photos from Lightroom after you edit it and stuff. So it's a very quick and simple step. All you have to do is follow along and let's get started. First thing first, let's tap into the app itself and let's say we choose this photo over here. Let's say you have already edited and stuff. Now you want to export this. All you have to do is look at the top corner. There are several options. All you have to do is tap into this option right here. And there is an option that says export as. Let's tap into that one. And here you can have settings. You can do all the settings, play with it, and in order to export, all you have to do is click that right button at the right top corner, and this bar will pop up. All you have to do is save image, or you can also save to files, or if you want to print, then you can tap in here. So okay, you can tap in the save image, and this is how you export photo from Lightroom. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.